been in yet, so this might not even be a problem. Mom? I'm sorry, I shouldn't have gone behind your back. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York. Mom! Mom, aren't you sort of proud that I'm so close to getting in? Just a little. I mean, yes, I know it was probably easier because 9/11 and less people applying with terrorism and all that, just... Still though, I am sorry. I know I can lie and not be a good person, but... Please, Mom, please. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I am ungrateful. And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I wanted more. Talk to me, Mom. Mom, please. Talk to me. I know. I know I'm so bad. Just, please.